Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Bash Scripting. Today we are going to learn about how to read a file line by line. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the bash line. So you have to write it over here. So on the top of it, I already write it, that is bin bash. Okay. Now execute the lines of code over here. So here we go with this one. This is the commenting part, right? So here we have to check how to read a file line by line. So first of all, the file path. So already I have the file path over here. Let me copy and add this. Okay, file path. So it's there, test. Next line, we have to check if the file exists or not. First we check that one. So same code would be added as before. Okay, for checking the file path existence. So here we go. First we check the file, then we are writing the while loop. Okay, read the file line by line. Okay, and then echo the line and do whatever if you want with the each line. Okay, so here you can just do with that one and done, then file. Okay, else the file not found. Save this. Let's try to run what exactly it is in the file. Okay, so test sh. So in all the file you can see that hello world is there and the timing is different. If I go and open this file, this is the test.sh. You can see the code is written over here. The text is whatever text is written over here, it will read line by line over here in your terminal, right? So this is how you are able to read a file line by line. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.